Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making fettuccine alfredo and some fried chicken. Ooh, let's go ahead and get straight to the recipe. So we're using chicken breast for this recipe. Let's go ahead and get started with the marinade. So I am using this herb and garlic Lawry's marinade, some lemon juice, you can use lime or bitter orange juice, some chicken bouillon, Montreal, well it's Montreal, but Montreal chicken seasoning, you know how American pronounces things, some garlic powder, onion powder, and some herb and garlic seasoning. I will leave all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. So we're only marinating that chicken for a couple of hours because they're cut pretty thin and they don't need to marinating for that long. So marinate your chicken, seasoning your chicken, let it marinate for a couple of hours. If you want to leave it longer, go ahead, extra flavor, that's fine. Oh, did I forget to mention we're also adding shrimp to that pasta too, okay? So I don't know how I forgot that. So let's go ahead and prepare the shrimp. So I am using shrimp that is deveined and the shells have been removed. So I'm seasoning my shrimp very lightly with some creole seasoning, some Old Bay, some garlic powder, onion powder, just lightly, you know, and then set it aside. So while the chicken and the shrimp are doing their thing on the side, let's go ahead and chop our garlic and shallots. Instead of using onion, I'm using shallots. It's a much more smoother taste than onion. It's not as strong as onion. So go ahead and chop about 4 cloves of garlic, or you can add extra. You just probably gonna be a little skimpy, like shrimp skimpy, but I love garlic, so I'm only adding 4 cloves because I just want it to be, you know, real fettuccine alfredo, not too much, you know, shrimp scampi. So just add only 4 cloves, don't add too many. And use shallots. If you don't like shallots, I guess you could use onion, and if you like onion, I don't see why you wouldn't like shallots because the flavor is just different. It just, yeah. Anyway, so go ahead and chop up your onion, your shallot, and set it aside. So now we're gonna go ahead and prepare for the chicken. So we're cutting the chicken with flour first, egg, and Japanese style panko breadcrumbs. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I think it's panko or panko, whichever ones, you'll see. So go ahead and beat your eggs and set it aside. So now we're gonna go ahead and get our pasta cooking. So go ahead and salt your water and bring it to a boil, and then add your pasta and cook your pasta according to the box description or to your liking. So I'm using about a cup and a half of breadcrumbs and a cup of flour. So I seasoned my breadcrumbs with some salt and pepper, and I also added some Parmesan cheese on top and some paprika for good flavors, you know. And go ahead and mix that. So we're gonna go ahead and fry the chicken first. So go ahead, take your well marinated chicken, go ahead and coat it with the flour first, and then coat it with a layer of egg yolk, beaten eggs, and then go ahead and coat it with panko breadcrumbs. Coat it perfectly, make sure everything is perfectly coated, don't leave any little spot, any dry spot, coat everything. And after that, bring it to your hot oil. I am using vegetable oil for frying. You may use canola oil or any high frying oil. Oh, this is what I'm using. I thought I didn't record that, but I guess I did. Okay, I guess I did. So go ahead and continue with this process. So the chicken are not cut that big, so they didn't take that long to cook. And I also used my thermometer to check the temperature to make sure that it was cooked perfectly, because the chicken gotta be cooked, otherwise you're gonna be sick. Okay, so it should take about 5 to 7 minutes to fry, because they were cut pretty small. It depends on the size of your chicken. If it's cut big, like I had one that was pretty big, so that took about 10 minutes. But these ones are pretty small, they didn't take that long. So once your chicken is fried, go ahead and put it on a paper towel in a plate, so some of the oil could just drip instead of it sitting in the oil. So now, and cook your pasta, your fettuccine pasta. So go ahead, add a tablespoon of oil to the pan. So now we're gonna cook the shrimp first. So only cooking the shrimp for a minute, so about 30 seconds on each side. And after that, just go ahead and remove it from the heat. We're not cooking it too much because we don't want our shrimp to be overcooked. And my shrimp, I'm using medium-sized shrimp. They're not big. Once you cook them for that minute, a minute and a half, just go ahead and remove them from the heat and set it aside. And add another tablespoon of oil to your pan. And then add your garlic and let it fry for a little bit, and also add your shallots. So don't let the garlic burn like I'm doing. I mean, it's not burnt, honestly. It's a really good color. It's just infusing, so it's not burned, but don't burn your garlic. So once you do that, go ahead and add the heavy cream, which I did not film. I'm so sorry, guys. I thought I pressed record, but I didn't. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season my milk, my cream, with a teaspoon of all-purpose chicken seasoning, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter, Irish butter. You can use any butter you want, but I'm using Irish butter because I'm in love with Irish butter, and that's just it, you know. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Irish butter is bomb. It's just so awesome. It's so amazing. So I am now going to add some ground black pepper. It's the leftovers from seasoning the stuff. It's not a lot, so it's about 1/4 of a teaspoon. It's not too much. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our Parmesan cheese. So I am adding 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Make sure your heat at this point should be on low. Should just be simmering. It shouldn't be boiling. It should be simmering just like that. And I am also using parmigiano reggiano cheese, the real Italian stuff, okay, the real stuff. Anyway, so go ahead and grate about 1/2 cup of that in there, or more, who cares? Add more. I add more. I always add more cheese because, listen, you only live once. If you're gonna add cheese to your food, just add cheese, okay? Add cheese. You never know. You never know what's gonna happen. And I also added some red pepper flakes because, you know, I'm a little spicy. I like a little spice in my stuff. And now I added my shrimp. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the pasta. So I also saved about 1 cup of the pasta water in case the cream, what do you call that? It's not a roux. Whatever you call that gets too thick. So we could use the pasta water to make it lighter. See that rhymed. Anyways, so go ahead and add your pasta to the Alfredo sauce. What the hell? Oh my god, did I really just did that? Anyways, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm on a roll today. Anyway, so now go ahead and mix that thing. Mix it, stir it. Ooh, you guys, let me tell you, this pasta was so bomb. That's one of my cousin's favorite dish, and she loved it. She loved it. Yes, this recipe is super easy, and this dish is super delicious, super creamy, as you can see. and cheesy, of course. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, please let me know. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this or better, hit the subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video. Thank you. But look at this, you guys. My God. My God. Who, girl? Cindy. Girl. I don't know. I don't know why I don't have a ring on my finger yet. Like, I don't know. Anyways, you guys, hit that subscribe button at least. Subscribe, okay? Since you can put a ring on it, subscribe. Anyways, thank you for watching, you guys. Again, enjoy that dish. If you end up making it, enjoy it. Enjoy, because it's bomb. It's delicious. Look at it. Ooh. Whew.